What's going on, guys? Welcome back to FrankBrox Art. I am BrianFBroxton, and this is the place where everyone comes to enjoy the illustration process, the ups and downs, the figuring out what to do when you come up against an obstacle that you're drawing, be it buildings, be it certain poses. Maybe you're not too good at drawing certain areas of the body. This is your home away from home. I am your friend that will guide you through the process. So welcome back again. And today I have a little commission project where I'm going to show you what I did. Basically, I would say a coloring book page, black and white, which it'll just be like a single page or whatever, kind of like a coloring book type thing, which is what I just said. So, I took the images I was given, and I had free reign to draw whatever I liked. So, I had a particular style I wanted to do. Well, I pretty much stuck within my style, but basically I just took the artwork or the pictures that I was given and just looked through them, browsed them, because I'm supposed to draw a young lady and a animal. So I don't usually draw animals a lot, so this was kind of like a little brush up, a little good practice for me. So I was trying to figure out, okay, what kind of pose to do. So I wanted something to be fun. I tried something kind of fun and kind of a little silly, and then it eventually at the end, I kind of like changed it because the client, they wanted something, the cat to be more realistic, not with the warpy looking eyes, looking confused or anything like that. They wanted to take that out. So I took it out. So, and, made a couple of changes here and there. I kind of corrected like the little girl's neck a little bit because I had it kind of floating a little bit. And I took another look at it and I was like, maybe I should nudge it over a little bit, have it to where you can kind of see this part where it connects onto the head and stuff like that. So I made some little changes here and there. So yeah, but I think it turned out great. It's a nice coloring book page, for all to enjoy. And, I think it turned out great. I had, it was a good thing I worked on those feet because the young lady, she had, she was barefoot. So, of course she was walking around the house. I had to draw the little cute little feet and everything. So, practicing doing those feet a while back, definitely helped, so that's why it's always good to practice, you guys, doing fingers, doing feet and body parts, like I always say, and get into those circles. Circles are everywhere, like I always say. Circles in the eyes, circle your head is a circle, this part of it is, this is more of like an oval kind of piece, but yeah, man, circles are everywhere. You start out with the circles, man. So yeah, so it was a fun project. It gave me a chance to kind of, work on some more animals. It gave me a chance to draw, children, because I really don't draw children that much either. Around Christmas time I do, because like I get like Christmas cards and stuff like that. People want me to draw families and doing traditional things, so I get that from time to time. So, but this was real fun. I kind of just took what was in the surroundings of the photos and just kind of mishmash and played around and added some things here and there. It didn't really take me that long. It took me like about less than, I'd say maybe 4 days, kind of, But you know, I had some other things I was working on as well. So, but yeah, you know, I think it turned out great. I may do a colored version later on, but we'll see. We'll see. You know, I got more things coming, of course. But yeah, I just want to again thank you all for stopping by and saying hello and seeing what I'm working on. I'm always working on something every week, you know. So if it's not the Froggy Show, it's like the World Girls thing, or if it might be some new comic strip. I just like, I'm gonna take a break on this. I'm gonna work on this, something new. You know, they got that Agent Elvis coming out, so I might do a comic strip, you know, with, you know, cutting it up with some scenes or something like that. But I might tweak it a little bit, you know, do my own little version of it. So, so yeah, you know, other little things are coming down the pipeline. You know, I might finish that Kakashi and make some little tweaks to it as well. A colored version, of course, you know. So I need some stuff to put on my Instagram, man. You know, it's kind of like, I need something to put up here. So not only just the Froggy Show, but, you know, some cool stuff as well. So, but anyway, thank you for stopping by. I appreciate the likes. I appreciate all the subscribers. Hopefully there will be more and more and more. And again, I think that's about it. All right, guys, enjoy the video. Peace out. Catch you later. Audi 5000.